How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 79 C10 Shortbox done in Garnet Red and White two-tone. Just a super cool truck. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun keeps coming and going today. Truck was restored about 3 years ago. The grill, the headlight bezels, all the grill trim, front bumper is all the original. It's all really nice condition. Truck's real straight, flat down the sides. All the side moldings are in real good condition. It's got the black tonneau cover on it. It's got a set of 17-inch wheels. It's got a 2.5-inch drop spindles up front, a 3-inch lowering kit in the rear. It's got a new rear bumper on it. The tailgate panel is an original. It's in good shape. The truck's nice and straight, flat down the sides. Tell you, really like the color combination. The motor's been updated. It's got a fuel injected Vortec 350. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's power steering, power disc brakes. See, it's all detailed nice under the hood. Okay, it's a cool truck. All the jams look real nice in it. It's got the gray interior, it's got power windows, power locks. It's got tilt wheel, factory gauge package. It's got all new headliner in it. Seat's been all reupholstered. It's a cloth and vinyl mix, very comfortable. Got all new carpet. All inside the bed's painted real nice. You can see in the pictures. Wish the sun would come back out. It's just very pretty truck in the sun. No cracks or anything in the dash pad. It's got a AM/FM stereo retrofit that has the iPod capability. Nice updated radio in it. It's got seat belts for 3. Fires right up. I don't think I got the hood latched all the way there. Be careful when you take off. It's got all new exhaust on it. Sounds good, nice set of duals. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.